I'm now going to go ahead and I'm going to remove a little bit of bulk through the top area here. First, we're going to start in the back. I'm going to start at the bottom. First, we're going to do this with the razor, and then we're going to later go in with the notching shears. Now, in through here, when I look, I see that the color isn't blending so well. This is something I can use my razor to do to help blend those colors so it doesn't look choppy, and also remove bulk at the same time. I lightly hold my razor when working. I can always go and take more out. Now I'm going to go up and through here, and when you're up in this area, you very, very, very lightly razor, and this takes out some of the bulk and will give more volume. You can also do a technique like this. And like this. Now this piece right here, being it's right at the top, I'm not going to thin up in here so she doesn't get a bunch of little pieces sticking up. I'm then going to move over into this top area and very lightly I'm going to razor up and through here. And that is how you go about texturizing the top part of the hair with the razor, which there's lots of other tips and techniques you can also do too.